My name is Lazaro Burgos, and everybody knows me as Nito, and I established Indica Barbershop in 2020. And then my wife came up with the idea of starting a cake business.
Paradise Cakes es un negocio que vendemos flanes de queso, flanes de coco, tres leches. También hacemos wedding cakes.
This is what we need to do with the cakes.
Ahí me di cuenta que yo necesitaba tener un business account. Cuando termine el año, pues puedo saber qué es lo que perdí en realidad.
The Verizon Small Business Digital Ready program taught me how to use search engines. Since I've been using search engines, I have gotten about 30% more business. I'll watch a video sitting down on my breaks. It's accessible at any time, whenever you want.
Antes de las clases, yo posteaba una sola vez en la semana. Ahora yo lo posteo 5 veces en el día, lo promociono más.
The vision originally came out of a basement, and now we're currently at 40 stores at this time. I'm proud of my son being involved here with Paradise Cakes. It has opened his eyes to the possibilities of him opening up his own business.
Yo quiero abrir las puertas de Paradise Cake. Quisiera expandir para diferentes estados. Ese sería mi gran sueño en el futuro que yo quisiera para Paradise Cake.